We have PHIVOLCS Director Teresito Toto Bacolcol. Sir, magandang hapon. Welcome to Storycon.
Yes, magandang hapon din po sa inyo, sir.
Magandang hapon, sir. Sir, kamusta po? Anong latest balita sa Canlaon?
Director.
Okay, so after the eruption kahapon, may nasundan ito ng maliit na eruption just a while ago between 3:31 to 4:10. Pero maliit lamang, umabot lamang ito ng 100 meters. And hindi nga ito nag-register sa aming seismic instruments.
So,
And between 12 midnight kanina to 12 noon, kanina, nakapagtala po tayo ng 5 volcanic earthquakes lamang sa Canlaon Volcano.
so by indication, sir, what does this mean?
Director, konektado ba ito doon sa nangyayari sa Taal?
Hindi po, independent po yung magma chambers nila. Wala pong kinalaman yung volcanic activity ng Taal Volcano sa activity ng Canlaon Volcano. And it just so happened na we have 24 active volcanoes, and there is always this remote possibility na 2 or 3 volcano sabay-sabay na magkakaroon ng activity.
Pero, Director, what does this mean? Sige po.
Alam ko, nag-forced evacuation na po ngayon sa paligid ng Canlaon eh. Tinatanong ng mga tao, kailan daw kaya sila makakabalik? I know, and mahirap pong i-predict yun, pero pwede bang bigyan daw sila ng kahit konting idea kung mga ilang linggo sila doon sa evacuation center maghihintay? Kasi in some cases, inaabot ng buwan sa evacuation center yung mga lumalayo sa volcano.
Mahirap po kasi magsabi tayo kasi
Yes.
what happened yesterday, biglaan na lamang na nagkaroon ng eruption. And again, when we say alert level 3 kasi, it means na there is a possibility na magkaroon ng hazardous eruption in the following weeks. So as to when
Yes.
exactly, hindi po natin malalaman pa. So titingnan natin yung mga parameters natin in the next few weeks siguro. Kapag bumababa, then we may lower the alert level from alert level 2 to alert level 3 to alert level 2. Pero sana yung mindset ng mga tao ngayon, hindi lowering of the alert level, dapat yung paghanda nila should be, i-assume nila na tataas pa yung alert level para hindi
okay.
maging kampante po. Oo.
Director,
Oh, so-
pwede bang i-alay dyan yung isang banal katulad ni Ed para tumigil?
Ano yung virgin sacrifice ba?
Baka iluwa po, baka iluwa.
Kailangan
Pero
ng virgin
Director, you're
sacrifice na talaga.
saying, mas malaki yung odds, mas malaki yung posibilidad na lalala pa. At least in the coming days.
Well, yes, the possibility is always there.
Oo. Kaya mangingat yung mga
i-alay si
tao.
Ed. Kailangan talaga i-alay.
Pero Director, okay, the possibility is there, but what about the probability? I mean, in terms of whether or not it's likely to happen, ano ho mas, I don't want, of course, I don't want to preempt you naman, pero ano ho mas likely to happen? Mas likely ba na mag-slow down o mag-increase ang activity?
Again, mahirap po magsabi. Like what happened before, we were on alert level 2 and people were asking, ano ba, what's the probability na mag-alert level 1 or mag-alert level 3? So, mahirap magbigay ng definite answer.
Okay.
Biglang nag-alert level 3. What if sinabi namin na, okay, kampante na kayo, we'll probably lower it to alert level 1 and then biglang sumabog. So, yun na palagi namin sinasabi sa mga tao when it was still on alert level 2 na dapat yung mindset nila hindi step down of the alert level, but step up para yung paghanda nila, always vigilant sila.
Aha, apo.
Na-monitor na po ba yung impact ng ash? Kasi medyo makapal yung ash na yan eh. Bumagsak ba siya sa mga inhabited areas?
Yes po, in fact, umabot po yung ash hanggang Antique. That's around 300 kilometers away. Maraming, of course, around Canlaon Volcano, marami talaga. And then, the fact na umabot to Guimaras and Antique, ay ibig sabihin, malakas talaga yung pagsabog kahapon.
Director, what about
Anong danger zone na Director para do sa mga respiratory problems, no? Para maiwasan yon. Ano yung ilang kilometro sila dapat malayo?
Wala naman po, kasi for example, umabot ng Antique yung ash kahapon, that's 300 kilometers. So ang isipin na lang nila kapag may abo, magsuot ng face mask. Kasi kapag sabi tayo na okay, yung danger ng volcanic ash ay nasa 6 kilometers lamang, nililipad, alam naman natin na nililipad yung volcanic ash. So, ang ano na lang nila gagawin kapag may abo, ay di magtakip na lang po sila ng they wear face mask. N95 kung maaari.
Director, a bit of ano siguro, refresher doon sa volcanology. Do volcanoes give indicators in case it is going to have what you might call a very, very destructive eruption, yung tipong Mount Pinatubo eruption type? Does it give indicators before that happens?
Yes, kapag dumadami yung volcanic earthquake. So, ibig sabihin,
Frequency.
earthquake, yes, maraming maraming umaangat na magma and binabasag ng magma yung mga bato.
Opo.
So
Opo.
like what happened in Taal Volcano, before it erupted in 2020, nagkaroon ng 135 earthquakes in a day. That's for Taal Volcano. So alam natin na may steady supply of magma pataas and dahil dito binabasag yung mga bato.
Tapos,
And nagpo-produce ng lindol.
tapos merong usually swelling, di ba? Swelling doon sa bandang sa flanks ng volcano pag may push up.
Yes, isa pa yan, yung tawag natin na inflation on the edifice of the volcano namamaga. So ibig sabihin po may magma na gumigit-git pataas. And yung sulfur
Director?
dioxide din po yes sir.
Meron na ba kayo na monitor ng mga earthquakes all over the place?
As I mentioned, between 12 a.m. kanina to 12 noon kanina, 5 volcanic earthquakes lamang yung naitala natin. In fact, before kahapon, before it erupted, nagkaroon ng eruption, 6 na volcanic earthquakes lamang yung naitala natin. So, ibig
Director,
sabihin,
yung
wala
yung
tayong-
lahar alert, meron ba? May malaki bang danger ng lahar?
Yes, mas malaki ito kaysa nung June 3 nagkaroon ng lahar.
Yes.
That was 2 days after nagkaroon ng heavy rainfall. Ngayon, mas matindi ang magiging lahar kasi mas malaki yung volume na naibuga niya compared to the eruption last June 3.
Okay. Okay, maraming salamat. May hapabol pa tayo? Si Director,
Okay na.
pawalan natin. Maraming salamat, PBOX Director Teresito Bacolcol. Thank you for joining us this afternoon.
Thank you, Director.
Maraming salamat din po.
Thank you, Director. Punta
Thank you,
ka
sir.
na ron,